welcome back. This is Michelle from Michelle's Empty Nest, and today we are going to work on a layout for a 6x8 story album using the Currently Story Kit by Ali Edwards. I did not look up the month, but this was 2 or 3 kits ago. Let's see, since then I think we've had Right and Senses, or did Currently come between those two? Anyway, 2 or 3 kits back was Currently. And I have actually not done a single layout with this kit yet. So I've showed you before how I store my story kits and my story by the month kits while I am using them or waiting to use them. In this case, waiting to use the Currently Story Kit. So I just have everything kind of in little sections and piles so that when I come to use it, everything is already sort of laid out and separated, and it just makes it a little quicker to go through. So if I'm ready to use something or waiting to use something, that is how they're stored in my craft space. And those are just little narrow fridge bins. They're probably only maybe a little less than 2 inches deep. And they fit inside of a little 5-shelf unit that goes inside of a Calyx cube. I may have shown that before, I don't know, but as different organization videos come out over my channel, on my channel over the next few months, you'll definitely see that. And I did go ahead and pull the 2 pieces that I am going to use today. I'm going to use the little cardstock Currently Word and then the Right Now chipboard. So those are the only 2 embellishments that I think I'm going to use. And then I have a 3x8, which is really more like about 3.75 by 8.25 because it's sized to outside the page protector. I have this paper from the Currently Story Kit, and it has these 4 boxes that say Right Now, just a few details. And so I just went ahead and hand wrote my journaling. Again, super quick, super simple. Instead of worrying about setting up boxes in Photoshop and doing a test print, testing it out, printing it again onto my card, or using a digital version of this paper, I just went ahead and just did some simple hand journaling. Then my photo is sized to outside the page protector as well. So with the white border, that makes it be 7 by 8.25. That's just a nice round, simple number to do. And I've already punched my holes, so they're ready to go. So this would adhere to the back of another photo that's outside the page protector, and then this will adhere to another page that I end up having be the same size as this one. So they'll just back up to other things in my story album whenever I get those pieces in place. So let me go ahead and we'll get these pieces stuck down. And this photo is actually from yesterday, so I'm filming this on Saturday, Saturday the 4th. So I took this picture on Friday the 3rd. And if you've been following over on Instagram, I'm doing a made-up challenge called, it may be a challenge for real, but I don't know. I just did it last year and I'm doing it again this year. And it was just a way for me to put myself out there last year. It's called 30 Days of June, where I try to do a different t-shirt every day. And so this year I'm attempting to do a different t-shirt every day that I also did not wear last June. So I've got to see if I have that many other graphic tees in my collection. I have not counted, but I think I can do it or get very close. I have a pretty big selection of graphic tees. So let me stop talking. I could have been working while I was doing that. And I'm just going to put very minimal amount of liquid adhesive on the back of this Currently piece because I don't want it to overflow onto my photo if I can help it. We may get a little, but I don't want a lot. Okay, we're gonna go with that. And that is Bearly Arts Precision Glue. That is my preferred liquid adhesive. I've been using it for several months and I really, really like it. So this is just going down here, and hopefully that's straight enough. Oops, you got a little glue right there. And I could have popped this up on foam, little thin pieces of foam, but again, I'm just going for simple, so not gonna worry about that. Oh, I keep forgetting there's no chipboard. I mean, no adhesive on the back of the chipboard anymore from Allie. They're a little thinner, and there's not as much, or there's not adhesive on there. Y'all, I can't work and talk at the same time very well. I don't know if I'll ever be able to do a YouTube live or anything like that because I have to think while I'm working. Does that apply to anyone else? And then I'm just going to put this right up here in this corner. Let's see. That looks pretty straight. So yes, the chipboard does not have adhesive anymore, and it's a little thinner. It doesn't have quite as many layers to it. So it, just provides a little less bulk. And I think the idea is that it gives you a little bit more variety of ways that you could use it with it being a little thinner. So that's it. I need to put a date stamp on it. Let's do that. And we said that today is the 4th of June. So hard to believe. And let's see, I think I'll just put it right down here. Hopefully it will show up well enough. Oh yeah, that works just fine. So that's got the date stamp taken care of. Let me put my pen back in my glue because it's overflowing over there. Okay. Oh, and I had this set out to show you. I just use this 6-hole punch. It's the same one that Allie uses. It is from Amazon. I think I always have it linked in the description box below. I have a lot of things linked down there that I use on a regular basis, but I'll try to remember to double check and link it if I don't already have it down there. And anytime I use something that you want to know about, if you don't see it in the description box below, just be sure to leave me a comment and I will tell you where I got it, give you a link, give you more information about it, whatever I can do. So let me read these to you real quickly. So I just talked about just kind of in general stuff about right now. So the first one says, I'm rarely wearing makeup or fixing my hair when I'm at home all day, and I'm here for it. I'm spending as much time in my craft room / studio as I possibly can, and I love it. I'm doing my 2nd annual 30 Days of June, and it makes me so very happy. I'm content with where I am in life at the moment, and that brings me great joy. So you'll see there's some repetition there. I'm just starting off by I'm doing something and then ending up with and something. It makes me happy and I'm here for it and it brings me joy, whatever. So a little bit of similarity in the way that the journaling is formatted within the sentence. And that's it, guys. That is all that I'm doing today. So if you enjoyed this simple and quick video, I would love a thumbs up down below. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, I would certainly appreciate you doing that and becoming a part of my little YouTube family. I am so happy that you stopped by to spend some time with me today. It means more to me than you will ever know. If you don't already follow me over on Instagram, I'd love for you to follow me there as well. There's a lot of things I share that never make their way over here to YouTube. And let's see, is there anything else? Let me know in the description or in the comments below, not the description box. Let me know in the comments. Do you subscribe to Allie Edwards Story Kits? Have you done anything with your Currently Story Kit? What is a story you want to tell with your Currently Story Kit? Any of those that apply to you, let me know down below in the comments. So until I see you in the next video, take care of yourself, do something good for yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.